Mi gente, and welcome to my channel. What's poppin', and welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be doing a unboxing of the Jaclyn Hill The Vault, and this is the Dark Magic palette. So I've already done part 1, this is part 2, and this is probably the most anticipated palette collection in a while. I'm so excited, especially about this particular one. This is actually the one that I was most excited about. I've already showed you guys what the front of the palette looks like. Now it does like show you which palette it is, and it is on the left, on the right hand corner of the box, which I think is amazing. And you also notice the difference with the sparkles. They have like colored along with the like sparkly silver sparkles. There's also the, depending on like the color scheme of the palette, it's also kind of like colored on here as well. So let's go ahead and open that up. And in the back of it, it has this picture of Jaclyn Hill, and it just has her little saying which says, "I'm so excited to finally show you guys the shades I've stashed away in the vault. I hope you love this collection, XO Jaclyn Hill." So when you open it up, it looks like this. And when you open it up completely, this is what you see. So I'm going to actually enter the swatches right here. And honestly, this palette is so beautiful. The color I was like most excited about was this olive tone, and I'm definitely using it today. So yeah, I'm gonna try to use a couple different shades in here. So if you definitely want to see the look I create with this Dark Magic palette, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give a like to the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the little bell. That way that you're notified whenever I post a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to actually go in with the first color on the palette, which is Poof. And it's kind of just like this regular green colored palette. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lid just to kind of have like a base. And I've actually added concealer all over my lid just so that we can see how potent these colors are and just how they apply. And honestly, if you watched the first video, you seen that I was completely blown away with that one, and hopefully this one isn't too far behind. Alright, so far so good. I do love the fact that they are super blendable. And so far with the first one, it was super creamy. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the shade and it is this dark gray color. And I'm just going to go above my crease. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that olive shade, and we're going to just bring it a little bit above that shade we already put, which was, and that olive shade is Potion, but I just keep referring to it as the olive shade. Bro, get the fuck out of here. Excuse my language. I love the fact that I was able to like just put a little bit on the corner, but I was able to kind of like keep building it up, and more came out of like that little spot. Oh my god, I'm so so excited for this. Alright, so now I'm going to take this shade right here. It is called Busted, and it is kind of like this navy blue kind of. I guess it's the way to put it. And I'm taking this Smashbox small brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of push it on. Push it real good. Push it on my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Power Cut, which is this silver shade, and I'm gonna do what I did earlier with the other color and the other palette. I'm gonna take the color, and that's what it looks like. I'm not flicking you off, I promise. This is so gorgeous. Okay. And just to let you guys know, these palettes are so creamy and pigmented. God, I mean, I would have hated to get like the first batch of them, but these are so much better. gonna do like a sharp liner. All right, and I'm taking the Kiss lashes in the corset set. So look at these beauties. Yes. All right, so we are back. I just put on my lashes, and now I'm going to go ahead and just do my face. So I'll see you guys when I finish this beautiful face of mine. Alright y'all, so this concludes this look using the Dark Magic palette by Jaclyn Hill. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned to part 3, which includes another one of the palettes, so you can see what looks I create with that one. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!